I have stayed at dozens of hotels, and this is the first hotel that I've seen the laundry bag is fabric. Usually they're just plastic. They're always plastic. Like I said, this is the first fabric one. You know what? I take that back. On the Disney Cruise Line, their bags were fabric. So this is just kind of like one of that recyclable material. And then they also have a shoe shine service. That might be the first time I've seen that too. So super fancy. Good morning. So we've been here one night so far. I'm just going to give you a quick review of my thoughts of the Encore so far. So as you can see, we have an awesome view. Love the room. So the bed was extremely comfortable. The pillows look fluffy, but like all hotel pillows, as soon as you lay on them, they're flat as a pancake. Noise level, I didn't hear anyone last night. Like no slamming doors, no loud neighbors. It was super nice. One of the nicest, peaceful sleeps I've had in a while. We walked around the hotel. So food-wise, there's no quick food really at the Encore. They have like 4 or 5 different really nice sit-down restaurants. They do have a coffee bar that has breakfast sandwiches in the morning and just a limited selection of pre-made sandwiches and salads at lunch, but they close sometime like around 2 or 3. Like we would try to stop by last night at 5 and they were already closed, so they're definitely not open around dinner time. And then they do have like a little sundry gift shop that has some gifts items, but mostly just like foods and drinks and shirts and just a little bit of everything. Small shop. Not like 98% of the items do not have price tags on them. Like there's 3 coolers of any kind of beverage you would ever want, but nothing has prices on it. That irritates me. I like to know what something costs. I've been to tons of Vegas like gift shops, so this is, you know, in hotels, this is the first one I've come across where nothing is marked. I'm not at the point in my life where I don't care about prices. So yeah, I did not buy anything because I need to know the price. And yeah, there was a lady working the counter and I could have held up every item and asked, how much is this? But that's annoying. I wasn't in the mood. I don't know, that was odd, but it could be because, you know, maybe people who shop there don't care about prices. I don't know. A couple items had like souvenir little trinkets had price tags on it, but none of the snacks, none of the drinks. It was just odd. So anyway, if you want something quick at dinner time, you're gonna have to walk to a different hotel because you're not getting it at Encore. And yeah, but overall I like it. Will we stay here again? No. We stayed here because we had Wynn. So Encore's owned by Wynn, and we had points built up that Robert earned by playing a game. He has no intention of playing that game again. So yes, this will be the only time that we stay here. I do recommend it though. I mean, it is an extremely nice hotel. But I like to have choices when I'm hungry at the last minute, and Encore just does not have that. But they do have a wonderful view. So yeah, we're gonna go walk to the Bellagio now, which I love the Bellagio. I have several videos on the Bellagio if you're interested. I was gonna walk around the pool earlier, but I forgot. So this is the view you get of the pool. So this is our second day here, and we've walked by it like half a dozen times. I've yet to see anyone in the pool. It does look really nice, but no one's using it. And then there's the Wynn, so it's in between the Encore and the Wynn. And then the entrance, there's also a pool bar right here. So this door down here is the entrance to the pool bar. And that's not open anymore either. That was only open for like a couple hours today, so it's got weird hours. All right, I'm gonna add this to my Encore video. This is on the Strip. This is the back entrance. I did not notice how pretty this back entrance is. So we're gonna go up here real quick because Robert said he saw some butterfly sculptures. So, and all through the hotel, there's mosaics on the ground of butterflies, and these looks just like these butterflies. So I guess it's just connecting all the theming. Look at that beautiful sculpture. So yeah, we never see this because we're always going out the front entrance. So I guess we could have went out this entrance too, but it was these, you know, the elevators are close to the front entrance. So that is an entrance right there. And look at these beautiful butterflies.